Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change credit card on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Of course, you can also go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the official PayPal page where we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options, and some other options as you can see here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change credit card on PayPal. It is pretty simple. First of all, what you need to do is go and click on the button Add Card or Bank. When you click there, you need to of course go and log in again. And then guys, you'll have the options. Of course, if you already have a card or bank account linked, you'll have them all here. You can go and delete the one that you don't want to use anymore. And you can then just go and click on link a credit card. Keep your card info secure when shopping, just so you know. Click there and you just need to go and fill everything that you need to fill here to link your credit card, link it, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.